So Jasmy Coin just initiated the first ever Jasmy lockup, and it happened just 5 days ago on May 1st, 2024. In fact, this information was even made clear by Jasmy's own CEO, to which he highlighted that just at the very first day of the Q lockup, or the quarter lockup, there was officially 100 million Jasmy locked up, with an expected additional 100 million going to get locked up the next following day. Now, of course, this could potentially mean that we are going to see close to around half of Jasmy's total supply get actually locked up during this quarter lockup, and then eventually see a massive push in demand, triggering the value per Jasmy to go up. In fact, we've already begun seeing this, as multiple news outlets report that Jasmy is having its best year since 2021 and 2022. Also mentioning that although the altcoin market looks very rocky when you zoom out, you can still see Jasmy having one of its largest year of dates accumulation phase, and that it seems to be forming one of its craziest and most bullish pattern runs yet. In fact, we are going to go and dive deep into everything, but before we get right into this, we have to announce our Jasmy giveaway. If you want to get yourself more Jasmy, accumulate more money, all you're going to have to do is tap that like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, and share this video. Again, it's worth it. It's almost no time to do. Just hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. The Jasmy charts are looking fantastic. Within the last 7 days, Jasmy up around 6%. In the last month, Jasmy is about balanced even, and in the last year, Jasmy's up about 161%. Now, in the last day, it is down about 3%, but when you look in the overall picture, Jasmy's about to break the 2 cents mark, which is huge for the Jasmy coin. In fact, in the last 24 hours, Jasmy's market cap has went down about 3.26% at 942 million, with the volume down about 27% at 65.7 million, and the volume to market cap ratio sitting at about 6.93%. The total circulating supply has not changed as of now, sitting at 49.3 billion total supply, or total circulating supply, and a total max supply of 50 billion for Jasmy. The charts also look absolutely fantastic, with it doing a minor retracement, and it is expected to pull back up and do a massive push upwards, specifically as, like we said, demand continues to increase for the Jasmy coin. And the charts are also saying the same thing, as Jasmy hits resistance at 0.0206, so after it broke above the 2 cents mark, it had resistance area as stated yesterday, and then it broke below the next level of support at around 0.0194, where it shows the red circles right here. At the same time, at 0.0188, there was a strong support level that really it could not break, to which then we've seen a massive upward trend and a massive recovery. There's also a rising wedge almost every time, ending in an overspill as it is, meaning that we are seeing sustenance and continued growing upwards trend. Basically, we're seeing higher highs and higher lows. Always that is shown before a massive bullish breakout pattern. So there's an uptick in purchases on Jasmy everywhere, including even on some cryptocurrency exchanges. For example, on Coinbase and Binance, there was a massive interest in a massive portion of Jasmy. So basically, we see more and more whales really accumulating, which is a good sign. And while there was a resistance at 0.0206 area, it wouldn't actually go below it. So basically, the idea here is Jasmy hit that mark, did a retracement a little bit, and of course held its stance quite securely. Now, of course, with the continuous growth of Jasmy and the amount of holders, it only makes sense that the value of Jasmy will have to reflect that in the long term, which basically needs to reflect the continuous demand, the shortage in supply, and the continuous growth of the Jasmy coin. Now, of course, this isn't going to be one of the longer videos, rather it's going to be one of the shorter videos, but I do want to critically tell you guys about a few other golden gems out there, not just Jasmy, that are really catching the spotlight. And when we talk about, tokens doing 100x or 1000x or, even 10,000x, there are a few of these gems, and it's golden opportunity time to capitalize right now, right before we get that massive bull run. Of course, one of the coins that we're looking at is Jasmy, but another one is also called the CTF token, which is one that I've been analyzing for quite some time now. I've been gradually accumulating, and I plan to continue to accumulate, specifically as we keep on breaking more and more highs. So the CTF token is one of the only DeFi tokens, and it's generating people a lot of money both through their passive income mechanism that they have on the Polygon chain, and because the token just continues to rise day by day, every single day, being in the green while everything else is in the red. right here is the chart, guys, and you can clearly see there is a massive breakout pattern forming. It's also at its all-time record highs, continuing to do that, and it is projected to a whopping $347 in a very short time frame, and by the end of the bull run, over $1,474 if it just reaches about 40 billion market capitalization, which is really nothing when you look at the possibility of it facilitating over 1 trillion. And of course, this is not my words, but the words of multiple experts and analysts all saying the same exact thing. In this example, Jack the Rippler, a crypto analyst with over 215,000 followers, says that the CTF token is the top DeFi token with the Polygon chain and the XRP ledger, and that it looks prepared for a massive gain as XRPL begins the process and replace the dollar. It won't take much to move CTF token either. 10 billion market cap would pump from 0.95 to $374 per token. Also emphasizing that he will continue to accumulate CTF. And I say this as somebody that has been doing a lot of research on the CTF token. I truly believe the same thing. I think that because it's the only DeFi token on the XRP ledger, and because it's a massive DeFi token on the Polygon chain, and it's set to facilitate trillions upon trillions of dollars, it wouldn't be that much of a shock if it reaches 20 or 30 or even 40 billion market capitalization, which would 10x or 20x the total price right now, probably significantly higher even. We are looking at potentially a 1 to 10,000x the price, but again, nothing is financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own research. But it's really exciting because really what we can see here is multi-millionaires being created, being made, and people actually generating generational wealth. So this is one of the golden gems. There's also XRP that you can look at, but I'm really focused on these two coins this bull run. It is Jasmy and of course CTF. Now, of course, you can definitely check them out, and I will leave them down below in the description. CTF token is available on the Polygon chain and the XRP ledger. And just a quick side note, they actually like to generate passive income. So if you guys are looking to just get into a token that'll actually generate your money while you sleep, CTF token just recently implemented the crypto trading fund framework, the passive income framework. In fact, now CTF token holders can actually generate passive income just by holding, and the more CTF that you hold, the more passive income they generate, making it literally a win-win situation. So of course, with all that being said, check it out, ctftoken.com, link will be in the description. Alright guys, I'm going to end off the video here. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, share this video and drop a follow, and of course, as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.